So I just finished the drive back from Prescott, and oh my goodness, those roads were amazing. This car is, I think I'm getting close to the limit because it was sketchy as hell. A lot of places without barriers. So I was trying not to go too crazy, but man, I love these roads. I'm using the new Insta360 camera, so I can't wait to see the shots I got. This is the first time I'm using it, so I have no clue how they're gonna come out. I'm hoping, you know, it's as good as they say it is, at least from what I've seen. And yeah, I'm also gonna be editing it myself this time. Due to the programs that it comes with the 360 camera, a lot of it you got to do it on that program to get the proper edits on it. So yeah, I'm going to be attempting to edit my own videos, and yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see it.
It's a feeling that I bought.